Hi, my name is Valeria. I'm a proud ambassador of Zemits UK and I'm owner of the natural skin company, Skin Clinic, which is based in Holborn, Birmingham. And today I would like to show you with why I love this particular device and what are my favorite features in this device. I'm absolutely obsessed with Hydrodermabrasion, fluid Hydrodermabrasion by Zemits. And the reason why I'm absolutely obsessed with this treatment is because it gives my clients instant glow. It's gently but effectively resurfacing the surface of the skin, which obviously helps with the appearance of the skin, with the glow on the skin, and with the penetration of active ingredients you're going to apply after. And it's absolutely unique technology. You applying the peel on the surface of the skin with the brush, and then you're using the diamond tip, which is going to resurface the skin and give your clients glass skin. The next very unique feature in this device is PPP facial sculpting. We're obsessed with it. So it helps with so many things, your client. So first of all, it's very relaxing when you perform that for your clients. Second of all, it's really improving the blood circulation. It's improving the product's penetration. It's improving the appearance, helping with lymphatic drainage around, especially around the eyes with the puffiness. And it's kind of sculpting the face, which we always needed. So very unique feature, very relaxing, very results driven. And of course, oxygen spray, serum spray, you can really tailor it. You can use different serums with peptides, with hyaluronic acid, with vitamin C, which is again very relaxing while you're performing it for your client. Refreshing. It helps to push the ingredients deeper into the skin, hydrate the skin, calm the skin. And as you can see, you can really tailoring the treatment and choose which modalities will be more appropriate for your treatment. So if you're looking for some treatments that gives instant results and long-lasting results as a healthy skin, glowing skin, rejuvenated skin, this is the device you need.